Good morning, students. In previous class, we were studying chapter number 6, Foods We Eat. We have studied till page number 41. Now we will continue from page number 42. Find out where each of these things is eaten more. We not only eat different things, but we also use the same things to prepare a variety of food items. Find out and write what all can be prepared from rice and wheat. Here you are given wheat and rice, and it is asked what you can prepare from wheat. Two things are given, halwa and chapati. What else we can prepare from wheat? From wheat we can prepare paranthas. You can write here paranthas. Then from wheat we can have dalia. From wheat we can have puris. From wheat we can have cake, biscuits. All things are prepared from wheat. Now come to rice. Rice, two things are already given to you, pulao and dosa. What else you can prepare from rice? From rice we can make idlis. From rice we can make khichdi. From rice we can make poha. Right here, poha. From rice we can make, what else we can make from rice? We can have you tell students, what else we can have from rice? Idli, dosa, pulao, khichdi, poha. And from rice we can have lemon rice. So write here what else you can have from rice. Now moving forward, how many things did you write? Similarly, different pulses, vegetables, fruits, meat, etc. are eaten in different places. In different places everything is prepared differently. Like rice can be used to make dosa in some place and to make poha in another place. So different fruits and vegetables is eaten in different place differently. People have different likes and dislikes. Let us talk about it. Likes and dislikes. Write the name of three food items you like to eat and three that you dislike to eat. So like you have to write three things you like to eat. Like if you like to eat rajma rice or anything you like to eat, write three things you like to eat and three things you dislike to eat. Like some students dislike to eat karelas, so write three things you dislike to eat. Are your likes and dislikes similar to that of your family members, your friends? क्या आपकी लाइक्स और डिसलाइक आपकी फैमिली मेम्बर से मिलती है? क्या आपकी लाइक्स आपके ब्रदर से मिलती है, आपकी सिस्टर से मिलती है, या आपके फ्रेंड से मिलती है, लाइक्स और डिसलाइक? नाउ कमिंग टू पेज नंबर 43, देयर आर 3 चिल्ड्रन शोन हियर. Name of them are Lee Chen, Juni, Thomas. Lee Chen is from Hong Kong. Let us talk to some people and know what they like to eat. In different areas of the world, like this girl Lee Chen belongs to Hong Kong. What she prefer to eat? And this Juni is from Kashmir. What she prefers to eat? And Thomas is from Kerala. So these different people likes different things to eat. Let us see. Lee Chen says, I live in Hong Kong. My mother and I both love to eat snakes. She and her mother likes to eat snakes. In Hong Kong, snakes are eaten. So She and her mother likes to eat snakes. Whenever we feel like eating snakes, we go to a nearby hotel and eat Ling Hu Fen. This is the name of a snake, Ling Hu Fen. So in Hong Kong, snakes are eaten. You can see. And this girl Juni, I live in Kashmir. I like fish cooked in mustard oil. Juni lives in Kashmir and she likes to eat fish cooked with mustard oil. Once we had gone to Goa, we ate fish there, but it tastes very different. In Goa, she doesn't like the fish from Goa. She only likes fish to be cooked in mustard oil. So my mother said that it was sea fish cooked in coconut oil. In Goa, that fish was cooked in coconut oil. So in different areas, the same thing isn't eaten differently. The same fish was eaten in mustard oil in Kashmir, and sea fish is cooked in coconut oil. It had to be different. Now come to Thomas. This boy says that I live in Kerala. I really like to eat two things. Both grow in our courtyard. He loves to eat two things and it grows in his courtyard. One grows on a tall tree and other underground. It is great to eat boiled tapioca with any curry made using coconut. So in tall tree coconut is grown. So he loves to eat curry made up of coconut with boiled tapioca. It tastes very good. So you can see in Kerala, coconut is grown and people love to eat curry of coconut. So but we have conclude in different areas different things are eaten according to their likes and dislikes. Now come to page number 44. What are the reasons that decide what we eat? Put a tick mark on them. Add to the list. Okay, what we should eat or what we eat, but reasons that decides. So हमें ये बताना है कि ऐसे कौन कौन से रीज़न्स हैं जिससे हम क्या खाते हैं और हमें क्या खाना चाहिए, वो किन चीज़ों से डिसाइड होता है. व्हाट इज़ ईज़िली अवेलेबल, आपके एरिया में जो ईज़िली अवेलेबल होगा. व्हाट वी कैन बाय, हम क्या ख़रीद सकते हैं, हमारे पास उतना कितने मनी है उसके अकॉर्डिंग में हम कोई भी थिंग खाते हैं या नहीं खाते हैं. कस्टम्स एंड ट्रेडिशंस. सो हमारे क्या कस्टम्स हैं, हम क्या खाते हैं, हमारे क्या रीति रिवाज हैं, वो भी डिसाइड करेगा हम क्या खाएंगे और क्या नहीं खाएंगे. व्हाट एल्स यू कैन सी, यू कैन राइट हियर आर लाइक्स एंड डिसलाइक्स will decide what we will eat. Our age also will decide what we will eat, if we have teeth or not to eat hard things or not. So these two things you will write, your age and your likes and dislikes. Now come to next question. Names of some things are given below. Put a tick mark on the things that can be eaten. If you are not sure about anything, you may ask your teacher. There are some things given here. We have to put tick mark over what can be eaten. क्या खाया जा सकता है, क्या हम खाते हैं और क्या नहीं खाते हैं. Banana flowers, yes, tick, right. Hen's egg, yes, tick, right. Cauliflower, yes, tick, right. Drumstick flowers, yes, tick, right. Leaves of arvi, yes, tick, right. Meat is also eaten by some people, yes, tick, right. Mushroom, yes, some people eat mushroom. Rat. Now you tell students, rat. Do we eat rat or rat is eaten somewhere in the world? No. We can say rat is not to be eaten. Seeds of onion, yes. Lotus stem, yes. Fish, yes. Crab. Some people eat crab. Some people living in near sea eat crab. So you can say crab. We don't eat crabs, but some people living in nearby sea eat crabs. Red ants, no. Frogs, no. Grass is eaten by animals, yes. Leftover chapati, some, yes, we can eat leftover chapati, but we should not eat because leftover chapati is not use can be harmful to you. Amla, yes, very good to eat. Coconut oil, yes. Camel's milk, yes. Chapati, yes. Made of bajra and made of gram, both, yes. Write the item names of some food item that you have never eaten before but feels like eating. लाइक ऐसी कोई चीज़ है जो आपने कभी ना खाई हो, लेकिन आपको ऐसी फीलिंग आती है कि मुझे वो खानी चाहिए, तो आप ये उनके नेम्स यहाँ लिखेंगे बेटा. नाउ हेयर योर चैप्टर एंड्स. डू द एक्सरसाइज ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इन द बुक and share it in the WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day.